Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So manufacturing and logistics industries are going to soar in 2025. Just hot off the press is a $20 billion with a B investment from shipping firm CMA CGM in shipping, logistics, and terminals. That's added to about $2 trillion of investments that have been announced since the new administration took office. These are investments in critical infrastructure, national defense, and semiconductors, data centers, and the like. From places like Apple, who announced about $500 billion, Taiwan Semiconductor, $100 billion, Saudi Arabia, $600 billion, SoftBank, $100 billion, and the list goes on. So what should we be thinking? In manufacturing and logistics, we need to be ramping it up. We need to be upgrading our processes. We need to be digitizing our end-to-end supply chains. We need to be looking at building up our resources and capabilities, becoming more innovative and flexible and resilient. And we need to be, most of all, innovative to succeed with soaring demand in 2025 and beyond.